Good morning. Good morning, my good people. Day 28, 2 more days. I'm tired. I just went ahead and slept like this. Alright, y'all, so I want to try to do this overlay braid. So this is me attempting something I haven't tried yet, but I've seen it a few times, and I feel like it should be rather simple. So let's see. It's pretty much the edges of your hair, which may not be the best idea, and it may be a little difficult given the current state of my hair, but we finna see. All right, so what I'm doing is taking the hair I'm not gonna use and setting it in the back for a ponytail, and then with these outside strands, I'm just gonna braid it so that it lays on top like this, and hopefully that works out how I see it in my head. Alright, so I'm actually gonna stop my braid here halfway, because I think I like what it will look like. Well, I don't like what my whole head braided down looks like, but I think I like what this looks like. I'm just gonna secure it with a little rubber band. So yeah, I hope you can see. So that's our over braid for today. That's the style. If you had like color locks, you would definitely be able to see this better than what I do, but I don't, and this is my situation. But I like this, and I think you could go a step further and like maybe do this and like put the hair up like that, and maybe like lobster tail the whole thing. But my hair is still rather wavy, and I'm trying to get the most out of this braid out, so I won't. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop some comments below, answer any poll cards that have popped out in the corner, ultimately subscribe and turn on your notifications. Until next time, be easy.